What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. I'm back here with another mod video. Today what I'm going to be doing is installing the courtesy lights, the lights under the door. These ones are a bit different. They have the BMW logo, so that's what they're going to be projecting. So I've got the mod here. I actually bought it off a seller on eBay. I'm not going to put the link in the description because I've had a few run-arounds with this seller in terms of buying this item, but in the end I've actually got it for free. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys exactly how to install these. I'm just going to show you guys the projectors. So I've got two of them because I've obviously got the F32 model. So they come with the actual projector and then this wire as well. So it's a connector that goes straight in. So all you've got to do is plug the white end into here, I presume like so, bear with me. Yeah, so that's all plugged in now. And then obviously you do that for the second light as well. And then what I'm going to do now is go to the door and show you guys how to take out the light and install this one as well. Okay guys, so best thing I can recommend for this is to take it out is using one of these prying tools. Now you can pick these up off eBay for relatively next to nothing. So what you're going to want to do is there's like a hole here, so you can just pry it and wriggle left to right, and you see it just pops out there, and from there you'll be able to take it out. That's what the wire looks like there. I'm just going to unplug this off camera as it's only me recording today, and then I'll show you guys exactly how to install it. Okay, so just before I actually put it in, I'm going to show you guys the actual connector. So it's that little black wire there. Now when you're actually plugging it in, or when you're looking at it, sorry, I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up, but you can see those little silver connectors there. And what you're going to need to do is get your light and make sure it connects. So it will slot in. I'm going to try doing this on camera with one hand. So it will slot in like so. Like that. And don't know if you can see that, but it's projecting now. So that's all done. So all you got to do is tuck it all the way back up and literally slot it. I'll try it. I think if I can't do this now, I'll just do it off camera and show you guys the finished result. Yeah, so I'll just leave it to that. Okay guys, so after a bit of fiddling, I finally got it in. Obviously you can't see it right now because it's daylight. What I'll do is I'll install the other one and I'll come back out at night and show you guys what it's like at night, where you'll see the true beauty of it. So guys, daylight's now past, so I'm just going to show you guys exactly what this looks like. So yeah, really happy with it, and I'll just show you on the other side as well, just so you guys know exactly what it looks like. So that's it on the other side as well. Yeah, really happy with that. See it there. And there. So yeah, nice, quick, easy, cheap modification. Just sets the car apart from anything else really. So yeah, if you guys liked it, please like the video. If you want to, subscribe and share as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.